guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today we made veggie rice casserole, there it is. And Selma is giving it a try over here. That was good. So let me quickly walk you through what we did. So we made our rice on the stove ahead of time, and then we added in a little salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and some red pepper powder for a little heat. We know Crystal likes her spicy food. And we did a layer of that on the bottom of our casserole dish. And then we used a bag of peas and mushrooms that had some garlic added to it. That you get from the freezer section, and we just did that in the microwave and did a layer of that on top, and then a layer of cream of mushroom soup, and then we did some cheese for the top. It was a blend of Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago that I had. It just came blended together in a bag, or you can just use whatever you have, shave it yourself, whatever you want to do. And we put it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes to get everything nice and melty. And that was it. So thank you for watching. We'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.